like to welcome you to New York. The time right now is 1:50 p.m. We're going to be taxiing for a few moments. We do ask that you remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened or your bags stowed until we are parked at the gate and the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt light. Please check around your seat for your personal belongings you may have brought on board today. And just remember to just peek in your seat back pockets once again. We don't want you to leave anything behind.